Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN by fax. First, ensure your business qualifies for this method, as some entities have specific application requirements. You'll need to complete Form SS4, Application for Employer Identification Number, with precise details about your business. Gather any required supporting documentation before you begin. This process is straightforward if you follow each step carefully, helping you obtain your EIN efficiently for tax and business purposes. To start, download the latest Form SS4 directly from the IRS website to ensure you have the correct version. Carefully fill in every required field, providing accurate information about your business entity. Pay close attention to sections regarding your business name, address, and reason for applying. Any omissions or inaccuracies could delay your application. Taking your time here will prevent common mistakes and ensure a smooth process. Once your Form SS4 is complete and all supporting documents are ready, find the appropriate IRS fax number. This number varies depending on your state and whether you have an address outside the United States. Fax your application, including all attachments, to the correct number. After successful transmission, you can typically expect to receive your employer identification number back via fax within 4 business days. Keep a confirmation of your fax transmission. Always verify that your fax transmission was successful, perhaps by checking a confirmation report from your fax machine. It's also wise to retain a complete copy of your submitted Form SS4 and any attachments for your own records. If you don't receive your EIN within the expected timeframe, you can follow up with the IRS. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in this process. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.